Having trouble with WhatsApp video calls? I'll show you how to fix the problem when your microphone or call audio suddenly stops working. Usually, the fix is just one permission setting, and I'll show you exactly where to find it. First, open WhatsApp and start a video call with someone. If a pop-up appears asking for microphone access, tap Allow or Allow while using the app. This permission is important because WhatsApp needs access to your microphone for the other person to hear you during the call. If you previously tapped Don't Allow, the permission may have been blocked and the pop-up might not appear again. So, let's fix that manually. First, go back to your phone's home screen. Now press and hold the WhatsApp app icon. From the menu that appears, tap App Info. Depending on your Android phone, this option may also be called Info. Inside WhatsApp's app settings, tap Permissions. Now find and tap Microphone. Here, you'll see the permission options for your microphone. Make sure it's set to Allow or Allow only while using the app. If it's currently set to Don't Allow, tap the option that allows microphone access. Once that's changed, WhatsApp should be able to use your microphone during video calls again. Now, let's quickly test it. Open WhatsApp again and start another video call. Speak normally and check whether the other person can hear you. If the microphone is working now, you're all set. If it still isn't working, restart your phone and try the call again. If this fixed your WhatsApp video call problem, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes that you can follow step by step. And that's it. You've now checked WhatsApp's microphone permission and enabled the setting needed for your video calls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.